Choosing an exchange is one of the first steps in your crypto adventure. It could make a big impact on your crypto future. You may not think very deeply about it at first, but it's a very important choice. But why? Why would you choose Binance or FTX? Which exchange is better? What suits you best? Continue to watch the video till the end to know more. And welcome back to yet another video on our channel, Crypto and NFTs Explained. If you're new here, please subscribe with notifications turned on so you never miss an update on the channel and like our videos. Before we start the video, please know that this is not financial advice in any shape or form. This content is for entertainment and educational purposes only. When needed, please contact a professional. Today, we look at two of the biggest exchanges out there, the US FTX and the Chinese Binance. We look at several factors that can influence your choice between exchanges. For example, we look at costs, safety, and customer service. In this way, we hope that you can make a choice about which exchange is best for you. FTX or Binance. Or just that you find out that both exchanges are not for you. Let's get started quickly. What is FTX? FTX is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2019 by Sam Bankman-Fried and Gary Wang. The exchange has grown very fast, with its trading volume of more than $10 billion per 24 hours. It's now itself one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges out there. This growth appears to be continuing. FTX is doing everything it can to become the cryptocurrency exchange for everyone. They do this, for example, by acquiring companies that broaden the product portfolio of FTX. In 2020, for example, they acquired the company Blockfolio, an app on which users can track their entire crypto portfolio. Another reason for FTX growth is the largest budget spent on advertising the exchange. For example, FTX ran an ad during the intermission of the 2022 Super Bowl seen by about 92 million people. FTX also has partnerships with Tom Brady and Steph Curry, and the stadium of the American basketball club, Miami Heat, is now called the FTX Arena. With this, FTX seems to focus mainly on the American market. What is Binance? Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2018 by Changpeng Zhao, also known as CZ. He's still CEO of the company. Binance was founded in China, but is now registered in the Cayman Islands. The company made this decision due to the increasing regulation of crypto in China, which made it difficult to run a crypto exchange from out of the country. Binance is currently the largest cryptocurrency exchange. In 24 hours, the exchange reaches a trading volume of no less than $70 billion. This means that no exchange really comes close to Binance, and you can therefore say that Binance is the absolute market leader in the field of cryptocurrency exchanges. In addition to being a cryptocurrency exchange, Binance also has its own blockchain called the Binance Smart Chain. Everything is possible on this blockchain. For example, dApps can be built on the blockchain by means of smart contracts. Binance has also built its own DEX on this blockchain, called the Binance DEX. This DEX has a trading volume of almost $1 million per 24 hours, so you could add it to Binance's trading volume as a whole. What are the differences between FTX and Binance? There must be a reason that Binance is still 7 times the size of FTX when you consider trading volume per 24 hours, right? What exactly are the differences between FTX and Binance? We'll now look at the differences and similarities between the two exchanges in terms of cost, range, capabilities, security, customer service, native token, and social media. Product range. The second point we look at is the range. With the range, we mean in this case how many different coins the exchange offers. 323 different cryptocurrencies can be traded on FTX. This ranges from large coins such as Bitcoin or Ethereum to small coins such as STEPN. With its range of 323 different coins, FTX is in 23rd place when it comes to exchanges with the largest offer. This makes the exchange come behind exchanges such as Huobi, KuCoin, MEXC, Gate.io, and Hotbit. No fewer than 396 different cryptocurrencies can be traded on Binance. Of course, you can trade Bitcoin and Ethereum via Binance, for example, but also many smaller coins. Offering 396 different cryptocurrencies, Binance ranks 18th in the list of exchanges with the most tradable cryptocurrencies. What is also not unimportant to mention is the amount of fiat currencies that are accepted by the trading platforms. FTX allows a total of 10 fiat currencies, including the euro, the US dollar, and the British pound. At Binance, there are a lot more, 46 to be exact. For example, Binance also allows the Norwegian krone, the Taiwanese dollar, and the Uruguayan peso. Safety. The security of an exchange is also very important. After all, you do not want an exchange to be hacked and you to be robbed of all the crypto that you had on the exchange. Exchanges therefore invest a lot of time and money to make their platform as safe as possible, including FTX and Binance. FTX has never been hacked. No KYC, know your customer, is required to use FTX. This ensures that the exchange is not exactly sure who is active on the platform. You must, for example, set a password for withdrawals on the platform, which means that people cannot withdraw money from an account without having that password. You don't have to worry immediately if you've been hacked. Not much is known about the security measures that FTX takes. That would also make it very easy for the hackers. The Binance exchange has never been hacked either. A KYC is now required on Binance, which ensures that they know exactly who is active on the platform. This often deters hackers or criminals. Binance also has 2FA authentication, which is also active when trading and withdrawing in addition to the login. When you want to withdraw money from your account, you must therefore not only enter your trading password, but also the code that you receive on your phone or in your email. Binance also does not disclose much about the security measures that are being taken at the higher level. Customer service. FTX customer service is available 24 hours a day at support@ftx.com. There's no further live chat or telephone communication available. You can reach FTX via Telegram. However, this is only possible in their general chat, where almost 63,000 others can also see your message. All this does not necessarily have to be a disadvantage, but when you find yourself in a stressful situation, for example, when something goes wrong with a deposit, it's nice to be able to have someone immediately available for guidance. Binance can be reached 24 hours a day via a live chat. You can also email them, and you can't call Binance either, but you'll almost always be helped within a few minutes via the live chat. Cost. First, the cost of FTX. FTX works with a tier system. This means the more you trade in dollars per 30 days, you go up in tiers and therefore pay less. Assuming you're under $2 million in 30 days, you'll pay 0.02% when you make a trade. And when you trade more than $2 million in 30 days, you slowly move up in tiers. If you're in the highest tier, over $50 million in 30 days, you're only paying 0% as a maker and 0.04% as a contractor. Binance also works with a tier system when it comes to fees. Tier 1 is for Binance users under $1 million per 30 days. You then pay 0.1% per transaction as both maker and contractor. When you're in the highest tier, above $5 million, you pay 0.02% as a maker and 0.04% as a contractor. FTX is therefore cheaper than Binance. When you trade a lot, this can be an advantage because with lower costs, you naturally have more money left to trade. Conclusion. Today we looked at the differences and the similarities between two of the biggest exchanges out there, FTX and Binance, so you can decide for yourself which one is best for you. For example, today we looked at cost, security, and customer service. This is how we found out that FTX is generally slightly cheaper than Binance, where Binance's customer service is again somewhat easy to reach. Both exchanges are very well secured. As you can see, both exchanges have their advantages and their disadvantages. Binance is better in some areas, while FTX is better in others. You really just have to decide which exchange is best for you. Do you find low costs cheaper? Then you might choose FTX. Are you a beginner and need a lot of guidance? Then you might prefer Binance. Are you not feeling well with either one? That, of course, is also possible. There are plenty of other exchanges available. That being said, we hope that you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. With that, the video's come to an end. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.